If you want to expand bandwidth of operating frequencies and reduce board space, then here is your choice. We offer you radio frequency switching connectors of new SWG series made by Murata company. Radio frequency switching connectors of SWG series can be used in ultra-wideband circuits. They have really tiny sizes, only 2 by 2 by 0.9 mm. The connectors ensure reliable tests of radio frequency circuits on all stages of product development cycles up to serial production. They also help to reduce space on printed circuit board in portable and pocket home electronic appliances. That means that connectors of this series are perfect for mobile phones, handheld computers, GPS systems and measuring equipment. They are also compatible with wireless communication standards such as Wi-Fi, WiMAX, 4G, Bluetooth, Zigbee and UWB. The connectors ensure approving of radio frequency signals on frequencies up to 11 Hz. This allows designers to use greater wideband ranges, including UWB. The series provide outstanding performance on high frequencies, specifically little insertion losses, maximum 0.1 dB in the range from DC to 3 GHz, 0.2 dB in the range from 3 to 6 GHz, 0.5 dB in the range from 6 to 11 GHz. A patented design of the connector includes flat springs and a double terminal mechanism. This ensures a reliable contact and reduced flux penetration. SWG series have high wear resistance, which endures more than 100 connection-disconnection cycles.